Released in 2010, this GSM Nokia 1800 weighed a mere 78.5 grams. Used the usual mini SIM and came armed with a flashlight but no camera. Its dimensions were 107 by 45 by 15.3. It had a loudspeaker, but there wasn't any jack, any LAN, no Bluetooth, no GPS. It did have a radio, however, but unfortunately it didn't have any USB. Standby time for the battery was about 530 hours, the talk time around 8.5 hours. You could get it in silver grey, black, ash blue or orchid red. Just having a look at some of the games of that particular era. I hope you've enjoyed this review from Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews. If you have, add a comment please. Hit the like, bell and subscribe button and you'll be notified when future videos are released.